Every few decades, there's a shift that completely changes how we work. So electricity did it, the internet did it, and now it's happening again with AI. So what makes AI different is that for the first time, everyone has access to the same leverage, the ability to think faster, create faster, and execute at a level that used to require an entire team. AI gives you access to unlimited data, insights, and structure on demand. You can delegate the boring, repetitive, low-value work, summaries, formatting, synthesize, and focus your energy on creative and strategic thinking. That's not just about saving time, it's more so about creating leverage. When you spend less time doing tasks that machines can do, you free up hours to learn, to lead, and solve higher value problems. That's exactly how career accelerates, when your daily work compounds into expertise and recognition. In my work as a senior manager in consulting, I've seen this firsthand. Teams that actively use AI consistently deliver 30 to 50% faster and often with better quality. Their documents are clearer, their insights are deeper, and their clients' conversations are sharper because they have more time to think instead of just typing and executing. Over time, that speed and quality gap compounds, and the professionals who master AI become the ones leading projects, getting promoted, and setting the standard. Let me give you a simple example. Before AI, writing meeting minutes after a 60-minute meeting could take another hour, and the result was rarely perfect. And now with a summarization workflow, I can feed the transcript into AI, categorize ideas, and extract action items in a matter of seconds. So the result, a document that's clearer, faster, and ready to share, freeing me and my team time to move directly into execution instead of just documentation. And here's the hard truth: if you ignore AI, you'll slowly get left behind. The professionals who adapt early create an unfair advantage. They become the people others rely on for speed and insight. Learning to use AI effectively is not optional anymore. It's the new baseline for staying competitive. So remember this: AI doesn't replace you. Someone who took the time to learn AI and integrate it into their workflows will.